Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a cinematic sunset coloring for your videos in CapCut. So the final result will go like this, and I'm going to show you how you can create one. Here I'm going to delete this first and show you how it's done. The first thing that you need to do is go to adjust and follow the settings. So for the brightness, increase it to around 11, the contrast lower it to -15, then the saturation increase it to 11, now sharpen 34, click on the HSL, and for the orange color set the hue to -18. Okay, and saturation 14 and luminance -42. Click on the yellow color, set the hue to -30 and luminance -42. Now click on the light blue and set the luminance to -10. Now click on the blue color, set the saturations to -11 and the luminance -77. Now you can just go back, click on the grabs and follow the setting for the white and the blue color. Okay, so for the blue, just do it like this. Go back and set the highlight to -10, shadow 28, set the temperature to 44, and the hue to 11. And that's it. This video now will look like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.